What's up, traders? This is V Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Alibaba Group Holdings with the ticker symbol BABA. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So last time I looked at Baba was back on October 18th. So that was last week Friday. I was not able to look at it this week Friday. I was busy with some stuff and I didn't have my computer, but either way, I have to provide these updates to you guys because I enjoy making them as well. So let's take a look at the daily chart. You can see that Baba since then has decreased in price. You can see that once it was trading at right around the $95 level, and right now we got a short-term bounce, closed at the 97.42. So overall, it looks like the downtrend is still in play. You can see that I can adjust it slightly, and price is still below this downtrend line. Price reached this mesh move target right here. This is one drop right here. This was the second drop. Price reached the target, but it still looks bearish. So we're still kind of maintaining this angle of descent. So not out of the woods yet for the bears. So there's still somewhat of a strong angle of descent going on. And there's still room towards the downside as well. There's not a lot of support that was built up from this large move up. Anything that moves quickly in the market can also quickly reverse. Because there's not a lot of support built up that can support the price from dropping. So all these levels can be broken easily. So there's a gap right here that can be filled at the $90 level, and maybe a test of this trend line right here at the $87 level. So again, it looks like we could be still seeing more downside in the near term. Let me go and clear up the drawings just to simplify things. So you can see that overall price is just mostly just going sideways. You can draw a range pattern for this sideways trading, and you can say that resistance at the 120, support is not as consistent, but most of it looks to be somewhere right around the $71 level. So it looks like it's just a big sideways trading range, and we do have earnings report coming out sometime next month. So it looks like short term we could be seeing more downside. This happened in the past as well. I don't know if you guys can see that. You see something very similar, which is right over here. So same thing over here as well. So we saw a sharp move up, almost reached the highs of the range in this case, and then we saw a sharp push down through that blue line, which is the EMA. So the same thing can occur in the coming weeks. It's a repeat pattern. A lot of times, you can take a bars pattern, you can draw that, drag it over, and you can see how well it's kind of already fitting. So you can see how well that's almost like a repeat pattern. Either way, I see a little bit more downside than the upside. I'd say we could probably find support right around that $90 level, our high 80s, and maybe we get a reversal. We'll have to wait and see. As right now, it looks still bearish. So we have 3 consecutive red weeks in a row. This is the weekly chart. You can see that price was overextended from the EMA. It looks like it's coming back down to that breakout point, which is right around the high 80s, low 90s. So we'll see if price can reverse from there or find support. If not, we might be seeing the 70s once again. So Baba, it was once upon a time, just a while ago, it was at the 116, 117 level, but now it has sold off drastically, and it looks like it could be approaching some sort of support in the near term. So all I see for Baba on the daily and weekly charts, not much else to say. There was a strong downtrend, bottomed at the prior all-time low, and now we're just consolidating, which is better than a downtrend if you're a bull, right? But a long-term bull, and eventually this could reverse to the upside. So we'll have to wait and see. It's not guaranteed, but a lot of times that pattern does play out. So that's all I have for Baba. Daily, weekly charts. Most likely I'll give you guys an update next week, Friday. This is V Trades, and thank you for your time.